Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Thursday, April 28, 2022. So right now we only have a couple more days for the month of April. So far the market is still have not been able to push it up to the upside yet. We are still in the sideways choppy. However, we try to looking for this level of support here to see the market be able to hold on to this level, or they will continue to put it one more leg down to complete this move here. So day by day, the last couple of days, the market is trying to put it back up. However, we do have a lot of resistance on the way up here. So yet watch out for that to see the market that can hold up and bounce back up, or they will put it one more leg down to complete the downtrend move here. So if you look at the Nasdaq, we also see that a lot of technology stock, a lot of big fan man stock, they yet are now earning, and some of them, most of them, fail to make the earnings. So that's why you see it heavy big cap stock like Netflix and Google, Amazon. Okay, they pull back down. However, they try to find a support here, so we will see that this level of support can hold, okay, in order to rebound. But overall trend is still downtrend, so that's why we still have to watch out for the downtrend line here in order to tell you the market be able to turn around. Okay, so it's still a very choppy market, so we have to be careful a little bit. Okay, until the market is able to tell you exactly where they be able to stabilize and find a way to push it up to the upside in the future. If you look at the Dow is a little bit stronger than Nasdaq and S&P 500. They still hold up at the high level here. So right now they try to rebound, but we do have a lot of resistance on the Dow trend line. So let's see it tomorrow. They can put it up, and then we will see next week how they're going to lay out. If you look at the Russell 2000, the Russell 2000, they pull back down, but today they be able to hold up at level of support and bounce back up. But the momentum is still negative, but in the short term, we're probably looking for some kind of rebound back, okay? But I think the momentum is still the downtrend. So in the short term, we're looking for bounce, but not an uptrend yet. So you have to be careful for a lot of stock that you try to buy to hold long. You have to make sure that the trend is completely reversed to the upside in order to buy and hold and keep it for long term. Now let's take a look on crude oil. They try to build the base here. They hold up the support at the buy zone multiple times. They have a potential to break out of the triangle pattern here. If they can clear that, we can looking for a little more to the upside to retest the high again. Gold is also choppy sideways at the bottom, but they have a strong support here. So today they'll be able to come back up. So in the short term, probably we're looking for some kind of rebound also. Okay. Now let's take a look on the euro. The euro it to continue to going down with the situation in Russia and Ukraine, and a lot of things happened there. So the euro continue to no die to the downside. So they have not been stabilized and find a way back up yet. If you look at the natural gas it also shoot it up, come back down, but like warning you on Thursday, they shoot it back up right to the resistance. Now they failure again. So this one is too fast, so they may pull back down lower. So before they can find support in this level there. If you look at the Bitcoin is still sideways choppy. They have a strong support here. They're not really going down, not really going up. So the downtrend line here, they still hold them up. In order to go higher, they need to break out and then find a way to push it back up. The Ethereum with the same thing, back out, but the low here still hold very tight. So they will zigzag here until they be able to break out of the downtrend line here, and then continue to go up. Now let's take a look on 11 sector of the S&P 500. Okay, the material sector, they pull out the support. Now they try to rebound back up to the upside. Okay, so they have some gap here to fill. So that's the first target that you're looking at. The XLC communication service, it also one of the worst one in the sector of the S&P 500. They pull back now. Now they try back up, but they still have a lot of resistance at 63 over here. So watch out for that. The energy sector, it also try to find a support here. As you can see, the CL earlier, the crude oil. So this one is try to put it back up to the upside to retest the high again. The financial, it have some trouble earlier. Even the interest rate go high, usually they will help the financial, but all the situation in the world here, they pull back down the financial sector. So they pull back down a low, but today they be able to hold up and revert. So let's see it tomorrow, next week, they'll be able to bounce back up again. Okay, but overall trend is still downtrend, but they are range bound, okay, in this tight range here. The industrial sector, it also found some support at the buy zone here. So again, if they can hold up, we're looking for some kind of rebound also. The technology, it's very similar to NASDAQ. They hold up here. They do invert hammer here, and today they give a bullet. So let's see the short term. They can buy up a little bit here, okay, to retest the downtrend line there. The utility, it also pull back down when they run up here. So now they pull back down, retest, they fail to pull back down, so they have a support here. Okay, so watch out for this level of support. Let's see if they can hold on and push it back before they continue to tell you where they're heading next. Okay. The consumer table, one of the strongest one, is still doing well. After they put it back up, they come back down, so they still hold a support. Now they rebound, and then they reset back to this level, and watch out for ADD level here. Okay, the real estate sector is also in the uptrend. However, they run too fast, so they hit to the sell zone, pull back right into the support again. So if they can hold here, they can have another attempt to the upside there. The healthcare sector, it also found a support at this level. So more of the stock they pull back down, but the support they try to hold on. So in the short term, we can see some bow there, okay, on the healthcare sector. And the XLY, the consumer discretionary, it's still in trouble with a Tesla, it's heading down. But however, they still hold up at the buy zone here. So technically, they're looking for bow. The first resistance will be up here. Okay, so so overall, the market is still trying to hold on to the buy zone here. Okay, but but nothing to guarantee that they can hold up this level, unless this one here be able to continue and push it back up and retest and break out. Other than that, we are still in the choppy sideways market right now. Okay, so anything you trade is just a short term, not a long term buy and hold. So that's the thing that you need to remember. But you do have a lot of opportunity to trade in the short term to make money. Okay, so before I do that, I give you a 3 ticker symbol here so that you can see and watch out. And this is even the market sideways, but some of them are doing well. The first one is LKQ. Okay, so put in your watch list. So this one here, they build a big base here. They go back, they retest, they fail. They come back here. If they can clear this resistance here, you can see more upside in the future. And the next one is WM. Okay, WM is pretty strong here. After they come back down, they go back up, and then they fail at the sell zone. They pull back, but today they'll be able to break out a multi level of resistance here, and the momentum will shift to the upside. So it looks like they have more room to move in the future. Next one is PLD, the technology. One we talk to hang tight even Even though the Nasdaq nose dive, but this stock is very strong. They have some problems to break through that level, but now they be able to clear it, and then they try to find a way to continue to the upside. As long as it's still high low, the trend is still bullish. Okay, so that's the three stock there yet for you to take a look and monitor it and put in your watch list to see it, where they're heading to. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So good luck in your trading, and then let's see how the market is going to do in the next couple of days, and then we will finish the month of April, and let's see what the market is going to do in the month of May. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, because May usually it's bad month for the stock market. So, but let's see. The market, look at the chart. The chart will tell you, if you know how to read the chart will tell you where they're heading to. Okay, so if you want to learn more how to understand the financial market, how to read the chart, how to analyze the chart by using a technical analysis, check out our show more link below. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.